Hey, hello everyone, what's up? How you guys doing? I guess everyone is safe and working from home, and for those who are started to go to office, I guess everyone have to go back. Today I'll talk about a different topic altogether. This is something that is a part of our upskillment. That means how to practice the technical things, the ABAP, without the assistance of AC80 or AC38 or Eclipse. So it is pen and paper coding practice, how to do it, and how you can do with specific tools. So today we'll talk about editor called Notepad++. If you like our videos, if you like the content we're doing, please do subscribe our channel and like our video. That gives our video a push and more people can see it. So without any delay, let's begin. You can see a Notepad++ screen on the video. I have opened the editor and I am trying to write some ABAP code just for practicing. Any editor, we won't get the auto suggestions just like AC80 or Eclipse. So here we have to depend on the coloring, or formatting. Now, if you see the screen in this scenario, the Notepad is not supporting the color format which we see by default in the ABAP editor. So, for this case, we have to find a solution how to practice ABAP coding in Notepad++ without using any system. And I also want to confirm that I won't show much system or coding from the system. Instead, I will use Notepad++ for the same. The process is, if you install Notepad++, you get a great feature. You can specify the language. All the languages are there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whatever language you want. Everything is there, auto, inbuilt. There is, but there is no ABAP. Sadly, in the default service, there is no ABAP. Now you have to do some trick to use ABAP. I'll show you that trick only. Let's do the trick now. If you want to use your own language, you have to import the language and its formatting into Notepad++. The way to import a language is go to language, click on user defined language, and then define the language. If you click here, I won't define it, I will just show you the screen. It looks like this, and you have to do import and take your settings. For ABAP, in our comment box, I will give you one file, zip file, 7z. You can see ABAP 2.7z file. If you extract this, you will get the folder ABAP2, and there will be an XML file inside. Now what you have to do is, you have to go to language, user defined language, and then define your language. Click on import and select that XML file. If you complete the import, it will create your own language defined coding structure. Now I have already imported and switched to ABAP 2. That's the one we have imported. It's in the same Notepad++. I have opened one code which has the ABAP formatting. For this case, we are using ABAP 2 as the formatting. You can practice your code now. It works just like your editor. It looks just like your editor, but only auto suggestions will not pop up. You have to write everything by your own. I guess that's for all today. We'll bring you many more topics. So just to mention, the second part of ABAP 740 changes are on the way. Stay tuned. See you on the next video. If you like our video, please do subscribe and like our channel to reach it to more people. Thank you.